Good morning and welcome back to Zeke's RC. Today we're gonna have a little fun and do an experiment. I was on Amazon shopping for brushed motors for my crawlers back here. Most of these still have brushed systems in them. And found a motor that kind of intrigued me a little bit. Check this thing out. 80 turn, 80T. You know, usually I'm buying 35 or 45 turns for my crawlers up here, and this 80 turn, I was like, wow, that's gonna make something a super crawler. So we're gonna put it in that there silver Bronco. I'm gonna do you some before and after running video. We'll see if the 2-speed makes this thing, I'm assuming it's gonna make it super slow, but we're gonna see if the 2-speed will make this so it still has a little bit of spry and some bounce to it. So here we go. Stay tuned for some before running video, and then I'll do the install, and then we'll go play with it and see what we got afterwards, just for an experiment. Let's get to it. Okay, we're doing a pre-run test. This is first gear. Whatever speed that is. Kick her to second gear now. Get out of the grass. Second gear, hit it. Like, I know it'll do better than that. Okay, bring her back. Hit it. Hit it. How about hit it, do ya? Yeah, give it to Candace. We need a good high throttle driver here. Second gear, hit it. Okay, I don't know how fast that is, but we got that 80 turn motor installed. Give me some first gear. Full throttle, first gear. There we go. Okay, turn around, come back in second gear. And second gear. There we go. Still got some pep in second gear. See if you can roll it over in second gear doing that. Slow down. slowly, like it used to from the end. Cool, it'll be perfect
Come here.
for Mallory here.
Come here.
We slowed this down so Mallory can have fun with it. She loves it.
Hold the throttle. I'll steer, okay?
Under the car. Alright, so there you go. You need to slow down the TRX4. 80 turn motor's where it's at. Probably turn it into a crawl monster too. We'll get over to the park and see about how well it crawls. So, alright, there you go. Until next time, see you later.